Let us learn rounding a number to the nearest thousand. How to round a number to the nearest thousand? If hundreds digit is 1, 2, 3, 4, then replace ones, tens and hundreds digit by 0. If hundreds digit is 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, increase thousands digit by 1 and replace each digit on its right by 0. This is how we have to round a number to the nearest thousand. Let us see. Here you check hundreds digit. In this hundreds digit in these numbers are 4, 3, 6, 9, 6, 4. We have to check these numbers whether they are less than 5 or greater than or equal to 5. It is less than 5. Therefore, replace ones, tens and hundreds digit by 0 and 6 as it is. 6000 is the correct answer for this question. Here we go, the next question. 3 as it is less than 5, keep as it is 1 and 2 remaining as 0. Here hundreds digit is 6 as it is greater than 5, increase thousands place by 1, that is 1, 6 and remaining as zeros. 16,000 is the correct answer for this question. Check the hundreds digit. As 9 is greater than 5, increase thousands digit by 1, 85 remaining as 0, 85,000. Here 6 it is greater than 5, increase thousands place by 1, 25 and remaining digits as 0, 25,000 is the correct answer. Check the hundreds place. It is less than 5, keep 38 as it is and remaining as zeros. 38,000 is the answer. This is how we have to round a number to the nearest thousand. Thank you for watching.